Hey, stylish people. Happy Saturday. Get ready with me. I am working today. So this is going to be a cute, fast, casual, comfortable look, okay? Since it's the weekend, I'm going to be dressing down. I want to be comfortable. I'm going to be standing up. I do work part-time retail. So this outfit, it needs to be still cute, but comfortable. These are the pieces I'm going to go with. I'm going with a basic tee with the slits on the side and a wide leg jean from Old Navy. And what I like to do to make this look a little better or style more, I like to take the end pieces and tuck it into the jean a little bit just to give it some type of dimension. And for my jewelry, I'm going to go with a small dangle earring. Paired with my favorite gold necklace. And for my shoe, I'm going to choose a sneaker for comfort. Moisturize your arms. I'm using Vaseline Radiant. I love this line. Can't go wrong with it. And for my wrist, I'm gonna go with a gold single bangle. My Apple Watch, of course. Also for my fragrance, my favorite, Ariana Grande Vanilla Mod. Love it. Go crazy with it. Because we can today. This is my finished look. It's the style.